Description list is a way to show list using topic terms and descriptions. For this, we need three HTML tags. First of all, the DL tag encloses the DT tag and DD tag. DL means description list, DT means description term, and DD means description. You can say description. For example, here we have some content about this mysterious statues, Maui statues, who built this, how they were constructed. This topic is described in terms of terms and description. This is not a description list, but we'll convert it into a description list. For that, first of all, we need DL tag. Before going into the list, we have this HTML document. Title is HTML description list, and we have H1 about mysterious Maui statues, and we have this output. So let us continue. Within the DL tag, we need first term DT. So with DT, the first term, we add Rapa Nui. So what is Rapa Nui? This is the description. Copy the description. These mysterious statues were built by the Rapa Nui people. So this is the description. Let us check the output. So here is the format of the description list, and if we show the source, this is the source. We have DL and DT and DD. Now let us try the second one. There is a reason I am going into the second one. So copy the term. DT is the term, and then we have the description. These statues were created in 13th to 16th centuries. Copy and paste. Save. Let's check the output. So this is the output. Now we can show also the third one, DT, and what was the objective? In order to honor their ancestors. DD is the description. Now reload. We have three terms and descriptions. Every term has one description, but we can have multiple descriptions also. Let's try that. So what we can do here, we can delete this objective DT. So under construction description term, we have these two DDs. So let us check the output. You see, this is the output. This is the term construction, and you have two descriptions. So this way you can create a description list, and maybe you can complete the full description list. Now why we use description list? We have already discussed other two types, ordered list and unordered list. I will give the links in the description or in the pop-up. But why we use the description list? First of all, we can describe the content using terms and description. This helps us to understand the content better. And secondly, we can design more easily and efficiently using CSS. Because we have not yet studied CSS in detail, I will not try to demonstrate the CSS code, but I can illustrate how it may work. So you have the DT, several DTs here. So we have two DTs here. Using the DT tag, we can color the fonts inside these terms, for example in blue, using CSS code. Similarly, all the DD or descriptions, three descriptions here, we can color their fonts, for example in red, in one line using the DD terms in CSS. So that's why it helps styling and presentation. And thirdly, semantic markup. That means if you use description lists, the search engines easily can understand your content, and then you have more potential to improve the visibility of your content in the search results. That concludes our topic today. Thanks everyone, see you later.